Imagine you're an alien cruising through the cosmos. Suddenly, you spot a bright blue marble, teeming with life and wonder. This is Earth. From the outside, Earth looks peaceful and serene. As we zoom in closer to this blue marble, let's imagine ourselves as alien observers, peering curiously at this vibrant planet from our advanced spacecraft. This planet, unlike others we've seen, is not just a barren rock or a gas giant. It's a living, breathing world. The blue we see from space, that's water, oceans teeming with life. And the green, that's land, full of diverse creatures and lush vegetation. We notice a thin veil surrounding the planet, the atmosphere, a delicate shield that protects life on Earth from the harshness of space. We see white swirls moving across the surface, weather systems in action, creating a dynamic, ever-changing landscape. We also notice bright lights concentrated in certain areas, signs of intelligent life in their bustling cities. But what truly captures our attention are the mesmerizing lights dancing at the two poles, a sight that is out of this world. We're drawn to them, curious to understand what they are. Little do we know we're about to embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the wonders of this blue marble Earth. What are those dancing lights in the sky? They seem to be having a party. These mesmerizing lights are known as auroras, a spectacle that might leave an extraterrestrial observer spellbound. From space, they appear as radiant halos around our planet's poles. But why do they only occur at the poles, you may ask? Well, it all comes down to Earth's magnetic fields. These invisible lines of force channel charged particles from the sun towards the poles. As these particles collide with gases in our atmosphere, they create a breathtaking display of lights. The different colors are due to different gases, green for oxygen, blue or purplish red for nitrogen. But don't be fooled by their beauty. Auroras are also a reminder of the intense cosmic ballet taking place above our heads. They are the result of solar storms, events that could potentially disrupt our technology if they were to hit Earth directly. So, those dancing lights are just a natural light show caused by solar particles. How fascinating. Look at those mountains spewing fire and ash. Are they alive? From an alien's perspective, it might seem like it, but what we're seeing here is a natural phenomenon called a volcano. These fiery mountains are openings or ruptures in Earth's crust, and they're not spewing fire but molten rock known as magma. When the pressure builds up beneath the surface, magma finds its way up, causing an eruption. It's like shaking a soda can and then opening it, only on a much, much larger scale. The magma that comes out cools down and forms new crust. Over time, repeated eruptions can even build up entire islands. Volcanoes aren't just spectacular to watch, they also play a critical role in shaping Earth's environment. The ash and gases they release can affect the climate, and the nutrient-rich volcanic soil is great for plants. So, those roaring mountains are just Earth's way of releasing its inner heat. Incredible. What are those giant spinning storms? They seem to be causing a lot of chaos. Imagine you're an extraterrestrial observing Earth and you spot these colossal cyclones of wind and rain. We call these hurricanes, a powerful force of nature that forms over warm ocean waters. Hurricanes start as a simple disturbance in the atmosphere. As warm, moist air rises from the surface of the ocean, it creates an area of low pressure beneath it. More air rushes in to fill this space, and as it does, it too begins to heat up and rise, creating a cycle. The Earth's rotation spins this upward-moving air, forming a vortex. This is the birth of a hurricane. Now the destructive power of hurricanes is immense. They can reach up to hundreds of miles in diameter and carry winds at speeds of up to 156 miles per hour. They cause floods, landslides, and can level entire cities, leaving an indelible mark on our planet's surface. So, those spinning storms are just part of Earth's complex weather system. Amazing. Why is the ground shaking? Is the planet unstable? Well, not quite. What we're witnessing here is an earthquake, a natural phenomenon that might seem strange and terrifying, especially from an alien perspective. Earthquakes, you see, are the results of the Earth's tectonic plates shifting and grinding against each other. Our planet's crust is divided into several of these large plates, and they're constantly on the move, albeit at a snail's pace. But when they collide or slide past each other, the energy that's been building up is released, causing the ground to shake. These seismic activities have been a part of Earth's history since its formation. They've shaped the landscape, creating mountain ranges and deep sea trenches, and have influenced where and how human civilizations have developed. So don't worry, the Earth isn't unstable. In fact, these earthquakes are a sign of our planet's dynamic nature. So those shaking grounds are just due to the movement of Earth's tectonic plates. Unbelievable. What are those streaks of light in the sky? Are they falling stars? Well, not exactly. Let's imagine for a moment that we're extraterrestrials observing Earth from afar. We spot these radiant trails in the sky and wonder, what could they be? These are what Earthlings call meteor showers. They occur when Earth passes through a cloud of debris left behind by a comet or asteroid. These particles, often no bigger than a grain of sand, enter Earth's atmosphere at high speeds. The friction they encounter causes them to heat up and glow, creating the spectacular light show we see from the ground. But why are they visible from Earth? It's all thanks to Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere acts as a protective shield, causing these particles to burn up before reaching the surface. This creates the bright streaks we see as meteors. So, those falling stars are just tiny particles burning up in Earth's atmosphere. Astonishing! Why does the color of the landscape keep changing? Is the planet alive? Well, not quite, but the phenomenon you're observing is known as seasons. On Earth we have 4 main seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. These seasons are primarily caused by Earth's tilt on its axis and its elliptical orbit around the sun. When Earth's axis tilts towards the sun, we experience warmer temperatures, leading to spring and summer. As it tilts away, the weather cools, and we head into autumn and winter. These changes in temperature influence the color of the landscape. Plants bloom in spring, providing a burst of green. When temperatures rise in summer, the landscape can turn a golden brown. Autumn brings a riot of reds, oranges, and yellows as leaves change color, and winter often blankets the landscape in white snow. These shifts in seasons are not just beautiful, they also greatly impact life on Earth, influencing animal behavior and plant growth. So those changing colors are just due to Earth's tilt and its orbit around the sun. Remarkable. What's that invisible shield protecting the planet? Is it a force field? Well, not exactly, but it's equally intriguing. It's our very own ozone layer, a blanket of gas encircling Earth, situated in the stratosphere about 6 to 30 miles above the surface. This layer is primarily composed of ozone, a molecule made up of 3 oxygen atoms. Here's what's fascinating. The ozone layer acts like Earth's sunglasses, absorbing about 98% of the harmful ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun. It's our planet's natural sunscreen, if you will. However, it's not all smooth sailing up there. Our ozone layer has been under threat from certain human activities. Chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons, once widely used in aerosols and cooling systems, can break down ozone molecules, leading to what we know as the ozone hole. So that invisible shield is just a layer of gas protecting life on Earth from harmful solar radiation. Amazing. From an alien perspective, Earth is certainly a strange planet. Imagine being an extraterrestrial, gazing upon our world for the first time. You'd see a planet ablaze with vibrant colors, a spectacle of lights and shadows, a symphony of natural phenomena that seem too bizarre to be real. You'd marvel at the ethereal beauty of auroras, those shimmering curtains of light that dance across the polar skies. You'd be awestruck by the raw power of volcanoes, nature's fiery forges, molding and sculpting the Earth's crust. Hurricanes, those mighty maelstroms of wind and water, would leave you spellbound by their destructive elegance. You'd feel the rumble of earthquakes, the planet's heartbeat pulsating with life and energy. You'd witness meteor showers, cosmic fireworks that light up the night sky. You'd observe the changing seasons, a colorful carousel of life's endless cycle. And above all, you'd marvel at the sheer beauty of the ozone layer, our planet's protective shield, shimmering in the sunlight like a mother-of-pearl halo. Each of these phenomena, unique and strange in its own way, is an integral part of what makes our Earth so special. So next time you look up at the sky, remember, to an alien, you're living on the strangest, most wonderful planet in the universe.